start the discussion about indeterminacy topic. Topic name is indeterminacy. In this, first we have to learn about external support reactions. External support reaction. The first support reaction is fixed support. The fixed support diagram depicts this type. This is a horizontal beam which is fixed deposited. No, it's correct. Over a wall. This shows fixed support. Here is a point A and this is a point load P which is acting over a beam and creating an angle theta. This is a load P. First of all, we should learn what are reactions and where it will be act. What is reactions? Reactions are those it will avoid the displacement body or it will restrain is known as support reactions. We have studied restraining the displacement will lead to the formation of external support reactions. Now, the reactions acting at the fixed support. Let's see this one. Reactions acting at fixed support. First I will draw the diagram. Here is a load acting here. This is a fixed support, and here is a point P here, and here the deflection occurs. When load acts, the deflection occurs, and here the angle theta will create, and here Angle theta will create a vertical reactions acting in this, that is Ry. Here is horizontal reaction, that is Rx is acting, and the movement will act in this direction, that is Mz. So we get here reactions, three reactions we get. That one is Rx, Ry, and Mz. Therefore del x is equal to 0 in fixed support reaction and del y is equal to 0 in fixed reaction. That is in vertical direction, and this is in horizontal direction, and theta is equal to 0. In fixed three reactions, that is moment reactions to horizontal direction, reactions to vertical direction, and moments acting at a point A. Which is that one point? This one. Here is the A point, here is the moment acting here. Moment acting in this direction. And vertical forces acting this Ry and horizontal Rx. No support number of support reactions are those. There is Rx, Ry and Mz. This is about fixed support reactions. Now let's learn hinge support. Hinge support. The hinge support diagram depicts this like. Sorry. Hinge support. This is a horizontal beam. Here is a load acting. It is P over here, and here create angle theta. When load will act, the deflection will occur in this direction. So here another time, when load acts to this, here the angle theta of that load, if the load acts in this to the hinge support, the deflection will occur this type. Here will get angle theta, and this is a point A. Only in this we will get the vertical reaction and horizontal reaction Rx. Why we are not getting movement means because of this creation of angle here we form a slope. So slope is coming, so that the movement is equal to movement is not occurring. Movement is not occurring. So therefore the reactions are two here in the hinge support, which are that is the vertical one Ry and a horizontal one Rx. Therefore Rx and Ry. Now let's study roller support. Roller support. Roller support depicts the diagram like this. When the load acts P here, we will get angle theta. The roller support is an example of our suitcase and our trolley. If the load acts, it will deflects in this direction and creating the angle theta. And one thing about this, the roller support, when the load acts, it will displaces in horizontal direction. So therefore if it displaces in horizontal direction, delta x will be 0. Delta x is not equal to 0. Because why delta x is not equal to 0? Because here it's not restraining in a horizontal direction. The reaction is not restraining, it will displaces the body to one direction to another direction. Therefore delta x is not equal to 0, but delta y is equal to 0 and theta is equal to 0. I will explain another time. Here if the load acts P, it will displaces in this horizontal direction. If it displaces, therefore our delta x is not equal to 0. Therefore reaction is not restraining, but the vertical reaction is occurring. So delta y is equal to 0. Then theta is not equal to 0. Why theta is not equal to 0? Because the slope is occurring, so movement is not occurring. Movement is not occurring. Therefore the reactions is only one, that is Ry. Another example of roller support is if it is attached like this. In previous we have studied like this. Now I am showing if it attaches in this type, in vertical direction. In this, only the Rx is equal to 0. Why? Because here Ry will displaces. Ry is equal to 0, it will displaces in this direction. So Ry is not equal to 0 and Rx is equal to 0, that slope will occur. So theta is not equal to 0, therefore Rx is equal to 0. The reaction is only one here, that is R is equal to 1. Now let's study double roller support. Double roller support. In this, the figure depicts like this. Here is the movement occurring in this direction and Rx will act here. Or another type, in vertical direction, double roller support depicts like this. Here Ry will act and here the moment Mz will act. Therefore reactions is 2. One is Rx or Ry by two figures, or movement. These reactions, what I thought, these all are in 2D. In next session we will study in 3D. Thank you.